Okay, I'm Dan Huffman. I'm going to give you a little demo here of my game, which is called the Octagon Theory. It's not so much about the Octagon Theory as it is about what the iPad can do. Okay, I'm going to start up the game, which you probably already know. It's the Octagon Theory. It's a little board game. I'm going to go in here and select an AI player. Let me see here. Okay, we're going to use Sexy Keiko, which is the default computer player. It's built into this app. It's all one app. I'm going to go back here. I'm going to start the game. As you can see, I take the move, the human takes the move, then Sexy Keiko, the AI, makes the move. And we go back and forth. I make a move, and Sexy Keiko makes another move. Like that. Now I'm going to stop the game here. We're going to start over and do something else here. Okay, as you can see on this other iPad, I got an application that's called iLua Box. It's a Lua interpreter. I'm going to start that up. Okay, and we're going to look in the directory here, the main directory, view directory. As you can see here, you got a file, number 9. It's called totserver.lua. That is an AI server, which means it's a computer player, a remote computer player running on this iPad. I'm going to start that up. Okay, we're going to run file. Number 9 is totserver.lua. Run that. Okay, it's running. Here it says you can connect to me at the IP address, which is 181.155.1.10. We're going to go over here. And this is a special build here where I can enter an IP address. We're going to enter that IP address 181.155.1.10, which is the IP address of the other iPad. And start this up. We're going to go back. Now watch what happens when I start the game. See, the AI server is running and it's saying we got a connection from this iPad and it's waiting for an input. So I'm going to go here, make a move, and this here iPad is playing. I'm playing against the AI on this iPad. So we got a remote AI running on the iPad. This is an AI server, which is really cool. Now what is even cooler, this is my move, computer's move, iPad's move. My move, the iPad, the AI server's move. Okay, I'm going to start up another session here. Let me put this down a minute so I can enter the IP address. We're going to go in here and we're going to do the same thing. We're going to enter the IP address of that iPad's AI server. So that was 181.155.1.10. We're going to start this up and you'll see it connecting over there when I go back and start up the game. Okay, there we go. Wait, stay a little bit. There we go. Okay. Now I'm going to move. It says number of games 2. Okay. So now this iPhone is playing against the AI server on this iPad. And we got 2 separate games going here. They're completely different. For example, I can go up here and do this. The iPad will make a move. Then I can go over here and I can do this. The iPad will make a move. So the iPad AI server is playing 2 separate games. Well, that's it. So who says that you can't do really cool things on an iPad? I mean, it's an AI server running on the iPad. Cool, huh? All done in Lua. Check you out later.